Let us continue the class on preschooler. As I informed in the morning, I could not upload it. So I am uploading it now. Okay, take down and study well. First two part of biological development, that is anthropometric measurements and vital signs, we have seen in the last video. Now let us see the systemic development. So what about the body proportion? The preschooler look more like an adult than the toddler. The toddler's typical behavior is not seen in the preschooler. The head and trunk, neck continue to decrease in proportion. Okay, proportionally head was too large in newborn, infants and toddler. Now as the body size increases, head size is increasing, but proportion to rest of the body, it is proportionally head is reducing. I think you understood. The size of the head is increasing, but proportional to other part of the body, it is getting decreased. The second is, okay, next is the lower extremities grow faster than the head, trunk and arms. Okay, up to toddler we have learned mainly the growth and lengthening was happening mainly to the head and the trunk. So that is why bowing of legs to bear the weight we have seen. Now in the preschooler period, the lower part is growing faster than cephalocaudal. Cephalocaudal. So head is developed, trunk is developed. Now remaining, yes, leg is developing. Okay, now protrude abdomen. Okay, now we have seen that toddlers have a large belly, okay, tummy. Okay, it is absent in preschooler. Okay, in body proportion, preschooler is almost look like an adult. Head and neck continue to decrease in proportion. And lower extremities grow faster than the head, trunk and arms. And protuberant abdomen of the toddler disappears. Next is the dentition. Dental caries are common. So by 2.5 years, primary teeth eruption gets completed. So baby should clean the teeth twice a day. And eating habits of chocolate is high during this particular period. So there is high chance of getting dental caries. So the child require regular visit to dentist depending upon the need. If we clean it with the brush and even with the hand, including gum and teeth, we can prevent dental caries. Dental caries for the primary teeth is not good. It may lead to disorganized teething for the secondary teeth eruption. So must take care to prevent the dental caries during preschooler period. So that is about the dentition. Next is integumentary system. Skin. Skin is mature comparing to infant and toddler, and melanin production increases. So skin disorders are getting down during preschooler. But sebum production starts, but still it is less comparing to the adult. So there is high chance of dry skin. So it is better comparing to the toddler, but still we need to apply oil according to the need of the baby. So skin matures and the melanin production increases, and the dry skin occurs due to reduced sebum production. Hair is darker, straighter and coarser in nature. So that is about the integumentary system, skin. Now what about the cardiovascular system? Heart size become 4 times that of the birth size. Heart size become 4 times that of the birth, and pulse rate reduces and BP increases. Pulse rate reduces and BP increases. Now blood values. In the embryonic period, kidney produces blood cells, and afterwards long bones produces blood cells. Afterwards, what happened? By preschooler, fat replaces the red bone marrow of the long bones. So only fat and irregular bonds is producing the retaining the bone marrow to produce the blood cells. So by preschooler age, fat replaces the red bone marrow of the long bones. Then total leukocyte count is higher. Okay, that is almost 50,000 to 13,000 during this particular period, which is bit higher than the adult value. Okay, total leukocyte count is higher. So blood value, fat replaces the long bone marrow, red bone marrow of the long bones, and the total leukocyte count is higher. Now in the respiratory system, so what happened? The child's length increases and height increases. The length between the nose and the lower respiratory tract increases, and the localized immunity also is increases. So because of all these reasons, the children develops reduced or children have decreased infectious rate during this particular period. In case if the child exposed to infectious agents, since the local immunity increases, it localizes into the upper tract. So the vital organs, lungs is free from infection. That is about the respiratory tract infection. Important it is the respiratory disease decreases as the child get lengthened or increase in the height and the local immunity is increasing. So infection is mainly localizing in the upper tract. Next is the gastrointestinal tract. Digestion is mature, but still, okay, GIT tract can get under stress. So mild to moderate dysfunction we can see during this particular period. Comparing to the adult and comparing to the infancy and the toddler period, digestion is maturing. Okay, it is getting matured, but still it is vulnerable. So if any abnormality or intake of any other vulnerable diet or any problem, the child will have mild stomachache and digestive problem. Okay, that is regarding the gastrointestinal tract. In the genitourinary tract, okay, it matures by 5 years and the urine output of the child became almost 600 to 750 ml per 24 hours. So genitourinary system matures by 5 years and baby is able to control the urine now, okay, during the day and the night, so they can hold on for some more time. Holding urine back is depending upon the cultural practice. And the urine output of the child became 600 to 750 ml per 24 hours. Immune system. The immune system, IgA reached to adult level. Okay, IgA. Okay, it almost reaches to adult level. And now the baby is able to produce the antibodies. The baby is exposed to the agents. And even the normal flora also is developed. And normal flora also will fight against the gastrointestinal problems. IgA controls localized infection. We have seen the respiratory tract infection. And IgE also is acting well. So it produces any allergic reaction. So IgE is responsible for producing localized allergic reaction. So IgA is at adult level. IgA controls the local infection and even IgE produces allergic reaction. The central nervous system developments almost gets completed during the preschool. Okay, then functional improvement is there, but anatomically the development is almost completed by 5 to 6 years. So that is why we are not checking the head circumference later. And even this the cerebral dominance is achieved. That is why the children will develop the handedness during this particular period. If the left side of the heart is, brain is active, the baby shows right-handedness, and the right side of the head is active, dominant, then the baby shows the left-handedness. The care must be taken by the parents and the healthcare professional. We should never try to remove it. Let the child grow as it is, planned by the create. We have seen the systemic development. Okay, almost systems are getting matured and developed by the preschooler age. So they are able to perform many activities like an adult, but still it is not fully developed and it continue to develop till adolescent. Okay, adolescent or by 12-year-old onwards, they will be able to perform almost all the activities like an adult. Completed the biological development. Now we'll move on to the gross motor development. Motor development, under that gross motor development. Gross motor development means the total development of a body. So by 3 years, baby is able to walk in a straight line. Example, the line of a tiles. Okay, just show the line and tell the baby to walk only through the straight line. The baby will be able to look at the line and the baby will be able to walk keeping both legs on the line. Walks on tiptoes. Okay, by 3 years, baby is able to walk on the tiptoe. Okay, I think all of you might have played during your early childhood who have maximum height by standing on tiptoe. Okay, and the same way walks on tiptoe. Walks backward. Okay, toddler could able to walk backward on imitation, but here the preschooler can walk by himself. Runs without looking at feet. Yes, now the elder have the confidence where his leg may be. So need not look into downward. The child can run without looking at feet. Now baby is able to catch a ball with extended arms. Yes, baby need more effort. The whole hand is extended in order to catch a ball. And they will be happy to kick a ball. They can kick a ball very well without falling. And they will be able to ride a tricycle. Yes, tricycle riding happening during this particular period by using the pedal. And they will be able to turn the wide corners. Okay, so slowly they are able to take down the or take the turning at the corner side. So by 3 years, baby is able to walk in a straight line, walks on tiptoes, walks backward, runs without looking at feet, catches a ball with extended arms, kicks a ball, and baby is able to ride a tricycle by using the pedal. Okay, turning the pedal itself, and the baby is able to turn wide corners. By 4 years, baby is able to run on tiptoes. By 3 years, walking on tiptoes. By 4 years, running on tiptoes. And they will be, now balancing starts. Balancing on one foot. How many seconds? 3 to 5 seconds, the baby is able to balance on one foot. Now, baby hops on preferred foot. Okay, there is a mistake in the slide, HOPS, and even in your note you must make the mistake. Okay, remove the E, HOPS, hops on preferred foot. Hops means standing on one leg, not jumping on one leg by folding another knee. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയുവാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഒറ്റക്കാലെ ചാടുക എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ കൊച്ചിന് പ്രിഫേർഡ് ഫുഡിൽ അപ്പം ഡോമിനൻറ്റ് സൈഡ് റൈറ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ റൈറ്റ് ലെഗിൽ കൊച്ചിന് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? കൊച്ചിന് ഒറ്റക്കാലെ ചാടാൻ പറ്റും. ഒറ്റക്കാലിൽ ചാടുക. ഹോപ്സ് ഓൺ പ്രിഫേർഡ് ഫുഡ്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, ബേബി ഈസ് ഏബിൾ ടു ക്ലൈംബ് ലാഡേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് ട്രീസ് ബൈ 4 years. So by 4 years, runs on tiptoes, balance on one foot for 3 to 5 seconds, hops on preferred foot, and climb ladders and trees. Okay, by 5 years, baby is able to start skipping. Skips on alternate feet and they jump over the rope and objects. They try to jump over the rope and object. Then they will start to imitate dance if it is taught. Simple dance step can be taught during this particular period, 5 years. and they start to perform roller skating, and catching a ball is smooth comparing to 4 year. 4 year they need to use both hands and totally they will extend the hands. But here very smoothly without using much strain they will be able to catch a ball. So we can see by 5 years the child will be able to skip on alternate feet, jump over the rope and objects. The child starts to imitate the dance steps if it is taught, and the baby performs roller skating, start to perform the roller skating and catches a ball smoothly with hands. So this is regarding the gross motor development. Now we have seen what is the gross motor development by 3 year, 4 year and 5 year. Now let us move on to the fine motor development. In fine motor development, by 3 year, baby is able to build a tower of 9 to 10 blocks. Okay, now building a tower is increasing, it become larger and larger by using 9 to 10 blocks. And baby able to copy a circle and imitate a cross. The baby is able to imitate a cross, drawing vertical and horizontal line. Okay, I have written it after the circle that must come down. Imitate a cross, vertical and horizontal line. Okay, you can correct it. Next is uses blunt scissors with one hand to cut. Okay, so they can use the blunt scissors for the cutting and should not be given the sharp scissors during this particular period, and draws stick figures of man. They started to draw the stick figures, but it is not complete actually. It is not complete like how we are drawing with the head and the hands and feet. They try to draw it, okay, only by using the head and the drawing one line. That's all they will be able to do it. So by 3 year, they will be able to build a tower of 9 to 10 blocks, copies a circle, imitate a cross, and use blunt scissors with one hand to cut, and started to draw stick figures of man. By 4 year, baby copies a square, copying a circle 3 year, square 4 year, and a triangle at 5 year. So connect it and learn so it will be easy for you. And they started to draw simple faces. Simple faces they can draw by drawing round and two rounds as eyes. Then cut around the pictures with scissors. Okay, if we give the pictures, they will be able to cut around the pictures. Not exactly, but they will be able to cut it round. Then draw 3-part stick figure. Okay, now stick figure increasing the 3-part stick figure. Now 4 years, baby is able to copy a square, draws a simple face, cut around the pictures with scissors and draws 3-part stick figures. Then by 5 years, baby is able to copy a triangle, started to copy the letter. Okay, so they can write their own name if we teach them, and they will be able to draw a 3-part man. Than the stick figure, they will be able to draw a man, but the man will have only how many parts? 3 parts. Okay, so that is regarding the fine motor development. So we can see that by 5 years, baby is able to copy a triangle, copies letters, print, they can write their own name if it is taught, and draws a 3-part man. That is regarding the fine motor development of preschooler. Let us see the self-care of children. How much the baby is able to take care himself or herself. By 3 year, they will be able to put on coat, only the coat, not full shirt, sleeveless coat, they will be able to put without assistance. And he can remove the complete dress, undress himself, and pull pant up and down for the toileting purpose. Okay, they can put pant and trouser up and down for toileting, and they will brush the teeth, but they need supervision and help. They can brush by himself, but all the areas may not be covered, so they need help, and they are able to go to toilet by self. But to do the activities, they need help in the beginning time for a preschooler. So by 3 years, baby is able to put on cord without assistance, undresses self, pull pant up and down for toileting, brushes teeth with help, and goes to toilet alone. Parents must take care to teach the child completely regarding the toileting by the end of preschooler, so that schooling can go smoothly. Self-care by 4 years, they are able to manage eating with spoon, only little spilling is found, and put on shoes. Without help, they will be able to put on shoes, but 4 years they are not able to lace the shoes. Bath self, but they need assistance. Wash and dry hands without assistance. So child is able to wash and dry hands without assistance, put on shoes without help, and they are able to manage spoon, but they need assistance for bathing. Okay, bathing clearly they need assistance. Then by 5 years, they are able to lace the shoes. Okay, they are even able to lace the shoes, tie the shoes. Wipes self after toileting. Okay, so they are able to clean themselves after toileting. Flushes toilet after the use. Okay, and baby is able to comb the hair. Okay, but combing the hair, baby need help, and can blow nose. Okay, in case if there is any infection or secretions over the nose, the baby can blow the nose when it is asked. So by 5 years, they will be able to lace the shoes, wipe self or clean after toileting, flushes toilet after use, comb hair with help, and can blow nose when it is asked. That is regarding self-care. Now we will move on to the sensory development of a baby. Visual acuity become 20 by 20, and depth perception and the color vision is almost established. And this is the period where the parents must tell them with the colors, get the black pen, keep this red ink, or bring the red churidar. Okay, get the green leaf. So things must be explained with color, so we can identify is there any problem in color vision early. Auditory structures developed by the end of preschooler period. So hearing is almost completed. Taste, smell, and touch. Okay, all these are almost completed and continue to complete. And they are happy to get or pleasure. They get pleasure in touching their own body parts and adults contact. So we can see that visual acuity is improved 20 by 20. Depth perception and color vision are established. Auditory structures are developed by the end of preschooler. Taste, smell, and touch continue to develop, and they develop pleasure in touching their own body and adults contact. So this is the period where we must start with sex education clearly, because I tell you in the psychosexual development. So we have learned regarding the systemic development, gross motor development, fine motor development, and sensory development in this video. We will continue in the next week. നന്നായി പഠിക്കുക. Okay, thank you.